All right, today's lessons, we're going to talk about things that beautiful to look at. The word beautiful in Thai is sui, sui. Rising tone, sui. Now, regular speed will be sui. You don't have to go sui. I mean, that's weird. I'm just, using that as an example for you guys. Regular speed will be sui, sui. That means beautiful. Anything is beautiful. It can be people, animal, the view, a car, a house, whatever it is that you find is beautiful. You find beauty in it. If you see beauty in weird things, just say it. It's okay. People might look at you, but that's all right. Sui means beautiful. Is that different from beauty and beautiful? It might. Beautiful is like sui, beauty. ความสวย means beauty. But most people just don't really use the word ความ If it's like very beautiful, then it'll be สวยมาก 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 means very beautiful. I mean, if we're talking about people, okay? If you're a guy and you find a lady, to be quite beautiful, you can say สวยมาก Or you can say beautiful dress, ชุดสวยมาก ชุดสวยมาก Or beautiful shirt, เสื้อสวยมาก When you use this word, สวย it doesn't really refer to guys. If you just say if you're a female and you want to compliment someone, compliment a guy, they don't really use that word, สวย Okay? But that'll be another video. But today, let's stick with the word สวย because I don't want to confuse you. Just say if you're a guy, you're complimenting a woman or whatever they just purchased, a car, a house, or they got their hair done, whatever. You can say สวย or สวยมาก All right? Now, next one. What if it's not beautiful? Nothing in life is always beautiful, right? What if it's not beautiful? Not beautiful is ไม่สวย 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 means not beautiful. If I find something's not beautiful, I'm just going to say ไม่สวย ไม่สวย If it's clothing, if it's not beautiful, you can say ใส่ ไม่สวย ใส่ ไม่สวย ใส่ ไม่สวย means not beautiful. You can be wearing a shirt, they like it, but you don't like it. They ask you, you like it? And you say, no, not really. ผม or ฉัน ใส่ไม่สวย ใส่ไม่สวย means doesn't look good. I don't like wearing this stuff. Now, next one is if it's beautiful, whatever the clothing you're wearing or they're wearing, you can say ใส่สวย ใส่สวย ใส่ สวย means whatever you're wearing is beautiful. They ask you, hey, do you like that shirt I got you? You put it on, you go, yeah, I like it. Yeah, ใส่สวย ใส่ สวย means it's beautiful. Next one is beautiful complexion. God, man, this is like a very fine line. If you're a guy, you try to compliment a lady, you say beautiful complexion. That could come off as a little pervy, right? I don't know. I'm just going to teach you anyway. It depends on if you want to use it or not. It has to be the right time. It has to be the right situation. You can't just go around telling everyone this because you might come off as a little weird. Beautiful complexion. ผิวสวย 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 means a beautiful complexion. Just say they're buying a lotion, they're buying products, they're buying makeup. You don't really need it because you already have a beautiful complexion. ผิวสวย Okay? It depends on you how you want to use it. But my job is to teach you things that people use in Thailand. If you feel like you're close enough to that person and you want to compliment them, that's fine. If you don't feel like you're that close, maybe you shouldn't be complimenting something like that. You can compliment on something they wear, but not beautiful complexion. I mean, that could come off as a little creepy, right? But it's up to you though. Next one is beautiful hair. ผมสวย ผม สวย ผม สวย means beautiful hair. Your new friend just came out from a salon, got their hair done. You can say, oh, wow, that's, ผม สวย ผม means hair. Okay? It's the same word as eye, but in this context, is hair. ผม สวย means a beautiful hair. You can say ผม คุณ สวยมาก means you have a very beautiful hair. The next one is it beautiful? You can ask that. Ask a question if you want to ask a question. Is it beautiful? สวยไหม 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 means that, is it beautiful? Just say you got a new watch, or you got her a new watch. I don't know. Or she got you a new watch. She might ask you, สวยไหม means that, is that beautiful? You better say yes. If you bought something for yourself, or for her, or for him, or for whoever, and you want to ask that question, is it beautiful? สวยไหม Or something you haven't seen. They'll try to explain to you, oh, I bought this, I bought that. And you get, oh, okay, interesting. สวยไหม Is it beautiful? It depends on how you want to use it. Now, this one is really strange. It has nothing to do with beautiful, but the word is สวย ข้าวสวย ข้าวสวย means steamed rice. Just that. Strange, isn't it? They use the word สวย with something else. ข้าวสวย means steamed rice. Pick and choose whatever you want to use. The word today is beautiful, and I hope you find it helpful. It's pretty easy to use. The main word today is สวย. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bodo_Thai. Practice it. Go back, watch it. Practice the tone. And I'll see you next time. Peace.